Before adding media to eMAM, administrators need to perform a basic setup and configuration to assist with organizing media for quick and easy search and retrieval of assets. A unit admin has full access to all widgets, admin tools, and user information and permission level settings within the eMAM business unit they are assigned to. When unit admins log into the eMAM director, they can open the Admin Tools widget to begin configuring users, user groups, metadata, category assignments, and permission level settings. Begin by adding metadata fields in the Admin Tools widget. Clicking on the Manage Metadata button, a new browser tab will open revealing the Add Metadata Fields section. Begin by adding a few key metadata fields with names users can recognize. Metadata field types include text, list, multi-select, date and time, schedule, timecode, and buttons that trigger workflows. Once you have added a few key metadata fields, click on Metadata Group on the left-hand side of the screen. Metadata groups allow admins to collect and assign groups of metadata fields to a group and display them in a metadata tab form in the director interface. Add a name to the metadata group and select key metadata fields you would like to add to this group. Now click on the metadata set on the left-hand side of the screen. Metadata sets are a collection of metadata groups you can assign to assets, projects, categories, subclips, and markers. Name the metadata set and select the metadata group you would like to add to this metadata set. You have now successfully added your first metadata set with an assigned group of individual metadata fields. Users will now be able to add information to each asset for later search and retrieval. To add users to the eMAM system, you must first create a user group. Click on the User Groups button on the left-hand side of the screen. To add a new user group, add a name and review the permission settings you would like to assign to this group. You can assign categories and assets as well. Skip the Users tab for now. We will add users to this group later. Click the Metadata Group tab. Select the metadata group you added earlier. Next, click Create. Now click Manage Users on the left-hand side of the screen. Add your first user email address and hit the Tab key. Complete the form for this user. Select User as the role option. You can auto-generate a user password or enter it manually and add an account expires date if needed. Account expires date is normally used for temporary access to the system. Click Ingest Profiles at the top of the form. Select one or more ingest profiles added to the eMAM system by your super admin. Click Delivery Profiles tab and select one or more delivery profiles. Click SMTP and add the email server information. Click the Groups tab and select the user group you created earlier. Click on the Add button to complete the process. You have now added a user and a user group with permissions. These settings can be adjusted at any time by the unit admin. Your metadata fields, metadata groups, metadata sets, user group, and user have been added to the eMAM system. The user can now add media to the eMAM system. For more information about eMAM, please visit our website at emamsolutions.com.